I'm back in Flushing. I think I was here about 4 or 5 weeks ago. And as I was getting ready to use this phone, I discovered that the coins were dropping straight through into the coin return chamber. I was about to make a short video demonstrating that fact when an individual kind of butted in on me, and I got out of his way so he could attempt to make a phone call, and we watched and waited as he made the same discovery I did, that his coins were just dropping straight through. So I thought I had it on good authority that this phone had been fixed. And it looks like it's even more messed up than it was last time. And there's no dial tone either. Oh wait, there is dial tone. There is dial tone. So there's that. But can't make a call when it looks like this. And I was endeavoring or intending to do just that. Had my quarters ready. But with that dial tone still humming, I guess there's still a chance that this thing will be restored yet again. But you know, just for the hell of it, I'll put a nickel in.
Hello, party people, it's Edge Martinez. Listen, don't hold the doors while the train is in the station. This is just a friendly reminder. You know this. Holding the doors can slow down thousands of riders who are just trying to make it home or to work on time. So remember, if you're holding the doors, you're holding the L. Thanks for helping keep New York City moving.
So coins are still just going straight through to the coin return chamber. So guess I'll have to try again. I don't get out to Flushing that much anymore, so I don't know when the next time I'm going to be able to check on this one is. It looks like this one hasn't changed since the last time I was here. This is an abandoned CityBridge phone. The empty shot of Jack Daniels. There's the lid. Still no PP here. I've been starting to think that certain of these phones are just forgotten. And I meant to look them up in the online sources. There's a data set of all the PPTs, public pay telephones, and it's been outdated for a long time, but I sometimes have to ask if CityBridge just doesn't even know this is here anymore. I don't know what's going on with my camera today. It keeps closing. And the same, I've been thinking the same thing about the one remaining phone in Astoria. Well, there's two in a row, but only one of them actually works. And they've removed every other single one, including a couple that were located just like maybe 30 feet away on the same sidewalk. So why would they leave a couple? And maybe these phones like this are never going to go away until somebody complains about it. And here we have this one on Prince Street, just off of Roosevelt, still moldering away. That last one was on 41st Avenue. No dial tone. Wasn't expecting it. And one of the glass, or maybe that's plexiglass panels, is gone. Nothing's really changed. I think the ad panels are probably still the same as last time.
This stop is Main Street and Northern Boulevard. Transfer available to Q23. This stop is Northern Boulevard and 102nd Street.
I've been staying pretty close to home the last 4 or 5 weeks. I think that's the first time I've been to Flushing since early January. I was a little bummed really that the phone doesn't work because I wanted to make my first payphone radio call since March. I've been pretty inspired by that project again after discovering that it's attracted a cadre of interested listeners, including some radio professionals. And my little stream has been more popular than WQXR on some sites. But anyway, I wanted to use that phone to make a call because the PTS phones sound so much better than CityBridge. And of course, most CityBridge don't work at all. But we're going to go check in on the last working CityBridge phone, the last one in Western Queens, unless you count CityBridge, which last time I was there had 2 that worked, but they sounded pretty awful. Call quality was pretty awful. And I've become a little less reckless about wandering into that area. Crime seems to be returning. You're always hearing about stabbings and shootings over there. But I've checked in on these next two a bunch of times over the past months, and these again, I think I mentioned this in an earlier when I was in Flushing, that these are phones that I suspect CityBridge has just completely forgotten about. Maybe they're just not in their database somehow, because they removed every single other one from this area. And there they are across the street in front of the Glamour Couture. And that's where they've been for a very long time. These have probably been out here since the 80s. And I've made video of these many times already, but just want to check in on them again. They're Payphones. They have Go to Church Read Bible scratched in them, but I don't need to revisit that again. And once again, this camera app shut down on me. This phone has like a mind of its own today. Looks like my payphone radio card is still on the one on the right. That one doesn't work. Actually, is it on the one? I'll find out. I left a payphone radio card on a Midtown phone once. It was this year, and I think I went by again a month later, and it was still there. Meaning nobody had even picked up the phone in a month, because the card has to pop off when somebody lifts the handset. And this one has a bit of character. Oh, there I said that the card doesn't flip off, but this isn't the way I usually put it in. And in fact, it looks like somebody adjusted the card. Anyway, a little bit of character about this phone is it has the handwritten phone number. And I can't tell you if that's the right number, because this phone doesn't work, but I'm sure it's not. Although it once was. But like I said, I don't know why these are still here. Because there were two others right down here where that outdoor dining shack is. Those are gone, and every single other one is gone. So why are these two still here? Maybe they just forgot about them.